Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 22. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Baiman. Wrong, obviously, they press me down on the end like this every time and make trouble. Right now, Princess Baiman, she was really crying. But General Sharon put her hand on her lips, said to her, "You lie." Well, Princess Baiman, this is getting tricky. Also, for General Sharon, I will let you do whatever you want to me. This time, General Sharon said to her, Princess Baiman, she is not moving. Also, she's only looking General Sharon right now. Well, the two of them, finally, getting closer to each other, especially right now. General Sharon still provoking Princess Baiman, and it seems that the relationship of them is getting better. Well, it really is. General Sharon said to Princess Baiman, "You can relax." Well, at least right now, she's trying to calm down Princess Baiman. Also for General Sharon. "Oh, you bite me." General Sharon continued pressing her. Princess Baiman is not moving around. Probably right now. General Sharon said to her, it was really in vain. Turns out, Princess Baiman also know how to coax people. And the pain is right. Well, looking at it, Princess Baiman, she is getting tricky. But right now, the two of them, finally, getting closer to each other. General Sharon said, "You punish me. You calm down." Well, right now, Princess Baiman, she act like a baby. Said to her, "I don't recognize it." At least right now, she really calmed down herself. She is not crying anymore. General Sharon said, "Don't care. You have to me. You are responsible." Oh, this is getting tricky. What are you pretending to be? Easy Wolf also pretends to be a puppy. Anyway, you know everything. You can understand me. General Sharon said to Princess Baiman. Now, she's teasing her again. General Sharon, she looks really mischievous. She was calling Princess Baiman. Right now, the two of them lying on the bed, talking to each other. "You can trust me anytime." Right now, she's caressing her face. "What do you want? Just tell me." Colonel Sharon said, "And I will do it for you." She said, "Believe her. This kind of thing is not something that can be convinced." By saying it, Princess Baiman said to General Sharon, "But right now, at least the two of them already calmed down, and they are talking normally. But what if I want your military power?" Princess Baiman said to General Sharon. Looking at General Sharon, a little bit shocked. Military power? Well, Princess Baiman trying to expand power inside the palace. That's why she is asking General Sharon. "Yes, I want your power and your minions." Oh, she really know how to place the game. Right now, Princess Baiman, she's really getting tricky. Also, she is really a smart girl. Well, for now, you still say the sweet pearls, General Sharon said to her. Suddenly, she grabbed her hands. "Princess Baiman, for now," General Sharon said to her, "I will give it to you." Oh, it turns out, General Sharon, she really loves her, even though she will be sacrificing her position. But right now, she is willing to give everything to Princess Baiman. Looking at the situation, Princess Baiman, she was really shocked. She didn't expect it, right? But you cannot convince the public and rashly take the power. It may be difficult to control a tiger and a wolf army. General Sharon said to Princess Baiman, "Whatever you want to do with military power, I can help you." "Baiman, did you believe on me?" Well, right now, General Sharon is trying to convince her that her intentions is really good for her. General Sharon said to her, "Princess Baiman, you are mine." Also, she said, and I can be yours too. Now General Sharon is grabbing her hands, kissing her softly. Well, at this moment, General Sharon, she want Princess Paimon to trust her so much. Princess Paimon said to her, I trust you. Now, the two of them finally get to understand each other. Right now, all they can take is such a trust. Well, at least, everything is turning well. Right now, it was next day, early in the morning. The two of them still sleeping. The birds is chirping around. Princess Paimon seems that she was dreaming. Feels like such a warm sunshine. Well, it was getting late. Right now, she should really need what on earth I'm doing. Couldn't help but urge the love web woven by Xiaorong. Now she is really wide and awake. But Xiaorong is the future regent. Facing such a people must remain completely calm and rational. Princess Paimon said to herself, but how can you indulge your feeling so much? Also, Princess Paimon, obviously, I want to control Xiaorong. Turns out I was actually affected by Xiaorong's mood. Princess Paimon, but think what just happened last night. Right now, there's something. Well, it's early morning. Sister-in-law, turns out, the younger princess. Princess Paimon, she looks pretty puzzled. Looking for her. Also, right now, she's rushing through. Now, princess. Oh, the princess, she was really crying and said, Father, General Xuan, want a meal. What should I do? What should I do? Their father wants to marry her. Princess, have a meal. Now, this is new to her. How could this be so? I have never heard of it. Why right now, I was really shocked. This time the distance from the palace changes. Only 4 months to go. Well, this is the day that, on the previous life, you will be going to execute. The Emperor seems to freely announce her meals. But right now, what can she do? After all, Xiaorong holds soldiers and horses in the hands. But in reality, he was wary of her. Princess Paimon, she gritted her teeth. Well, probably, you can think right now possible things to help stop the fate that she's been encounter in the future. From the day Xiaorong came to attend my wedding banquet, grass gray, snake threads interlocking. Well, it's only 4 months. This is the critical moment. The Emperor wants the opportunity to dominate Xiaorong, the palace. Now, she is getting worried. Right now, the princess. For Princess Paimon, has to be, not to being executed in the future. Princess is calling her sister-in-law. Like a fluttering feelings right now. She can express herself. Also, the princess heard some time ago. Emperor asked each family to submit portraits of a young people of marriageable age. Well, they can really pass this. She seems to be surprised. A young married man. It will not unavoidable. I mean, one only wanted to wish marriage for her during the meal. Right now, she seems to calm down. My father wants me to marry the general. What should Shanos gonna do? Seems to be worried. Well, let's see what will happen next. Well, it's really getting better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!